What are specific benefits that customers have seen after they deployed and implemented Parsable?
Yeah, so there's three major business use cases or sort of business values. So first of all is increased safety. So safety is an area where I think it's easy to explain to people. If an employee can execute their work more safely, the employee feels good, the company feels good. But interestingly enough, if they're executing work safely, there's a high correlation with quality and efficiency. So we're really looking at the way that people execute work in a safe way drives high quality and therefore drives efficiency. So really it's around human-machine, human-to-human activity. The really compelling piece about this is that because it's a cloud-based solution, we can start with a small group of users, maybe in a few locations and a few use cases, and then go exponential. And the benefit of being in a cloud-based environment and a mobile-first environment, you can download from the App Store or the Google Play Store, is that the ROI then becomes exponential. So we focus on very high-value starter use cases, but then drive adoption so that the ROI becomes, and the reality is, there's also a huge intrinsic value around making sure that people are happy in their work. And that may sound a little bit of a profound environment, but increasingly if people are happy in their work, they drive greater productivity, their increased quality and increased safety out of just their experience in the environment.